Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix or how to resolve the error problem in Steam API.dll is missing in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and open up your favorite web browser. In this case I use Google Chrome. And go to google.com and hit enter and browse for Steam API.dll, download DLL files and click in this page the/files.com and scroll down, the link in the description. This is a description for the file, and scroll down and select download in the download button, orange text. One click, close this ad and wait for your download. The countdown is ending. Click on show in folder or go to downloads directory. Right click and select extract here and move this Steam API.dll to desktop and go to this PC. Locate your local disk and double click. Click on Windows and browse for System32. Locate this directory and move to this directory and confirm. If you receive a user account control, click on continue. To apply the change, restart your computer, go to the start menu, click on power and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And this is all. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. I hope to help you in this video. Bye.